Hello, today I'm going to show you how to apply a recipe between two successive time steps of a time series dataset, or even between all pair of successive time steps of this time series dataset. So for that, I will use this time series dataset as an example. This represents a piece of meat going through the process of cooking. And as you can see, the shape of the piece of meat is reducing through the cooking. So now, if I want to quantify this morphological change, I have to execute a recipe to compare the difference between two time steps. So for that, I use the extra module inter-time-step recipe player. I select the recipe I want to execute and also the specific time step for which I want to complete the quantification. I click on apply and there you go. Now you can visualize the morphological change at a specific time step 50. We can switch on and off to compare with the original dataset. And now, if I want to quantify all the morphological change for all pair of successive time steps of the time series dataset, I have to check the option Process Whole Sequence and to select the output folder where all the results will be saved. I click on apply again, and there you go, all the results are being computed. As you can see, the output folder is being filled as well. When the computation is done, I can open all the new results as a new time series dataset. This will enable me to compare the original time series dataset and all the morphological changes. We can even link the time port values. This will enable me to display simultaneously the original time series dataset and the respective morphological changes for every time steps. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.